Hello, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to perform fat segmentation and quantification with the Imalytics Preclinical software. What you can see here is a CT scan of a mouse, and here in the slices you can see the fat, and the fat is darker than the other soft tissue, and we can use that for segmentation. And we start with a body segmentation. You can watch another video to learn how to do that. Here it's called mouse body segmentation. And so in that you need to basically remove the mouse bed, but that you can see in the other video. So to segment the fat, I would first start to segment some other regions to get rid of them. So let's, for example, segment the skin. Here the skin is an outside layer, and I would just want to avoid that this here, which has the same intensity as fat, I want to avoid that is segmented as fat. So the trick is to add a class skin and then perform a morphologic erosion, distance 3, and now we have a layer of skin on the outside. Very easy. So let's segment the bone now, create a class bone, and segment all bright regions, thresholding above 1600 for example. We get the bones, and you can do a dilation of, let's say, 2 to make them a bit thicker. Let's have a look. Oh, sorry. Those are the bones. Let's go back. And let's segment the lung, because the lung is also dark. We don't want it to become fat. Add a class temp. Perform a thresholding below -300, for example. Here, and now add a class lung. Fill region. We have the lung, and you can perform a morphologic closing to fill the holes in the lung. And now we classify the temporary class back as body here. So we have the lung. We can dilate the lung just a bit, and now there is still some air here. Air. Also in the stomach there's air sometimes. So let's add a class air and perform a thresholding anything below -600, for example. We have these air pockets, and we can dilate them by maybe 2 or maybe just 1. And so now we finally can come to the fat, but it's a bit noisy here, so I would suggest to perform a Gaussian smoothing of maybe 0.7 voxels in standard deviation. Now it's a bit more smooth, and now we can add a class fat. Perform a thresholding below -100, and we have the fat segmented like this. And if you want to visualize that, you can, if you want to show that in 3D, you can make a cut somewhere with the scribbles here, go all the way up to the head. Basically scribble the whole region, then you show the bounding box of the squiggles here. It's all red above that region, and then you say you select the output class here and press F4, and now we have cut away the part in the top, and we can make a nice screenshot like this, and it illustrates the tissue fat in blue here. You could also remove the skin and the other tissue like that, and show the body tissue like that. Okay, I hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.